Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up PayPal on Shopify. First, it's important to have a PayPal business account, as this unlocks all necessary features for your online store. While Shopify automatically sets up a basic PayPal Express checkout, connecting your dedicated business account is crucial. You'll start by logging into your Shopify admin and heading to the Settings section. Next, within your Shopify settings, click on Payments to access your payment provider options. Here, you will find the PayPal section. Click Activate or Complete Setup to begin the connection process. You will then be securely redirected to PayPal's website, where you'll log in with your business account credentials and grant Shopify the necessary permissions to process payments. Once connected, return to Shopify to configure your PayPal settings. You can select your payment authorization method, such as Authorize and Capture, for immediate fund collection. It's also wise to enable guest payments, allowing customers to pay with a credit card without needing a PayPal account. Always confirm that your Shopify store's email matches your PayPal business account email for smooth transactions. Finally, it is essential to thoroughly test your PayPal integration before going live. Make a small test purchase on your Shopify store, acting as a customer. After completing the transaction, verify that the order appears correctly in your Shopify admin and that the payment is reflected in your PayPal business account. This ensures a seamless checkout experience for all your future customers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.